how to delete messages on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Messenger application, and after that, make sure that you log into your account. Now, select the account that you would like to delete the message from. Once you select that account, simply press and hold on that account name, and from this drop down menu, if you simply tap on delete and again confirm by tapping on delete, and once you delete your copy of conversation, it can be undone. So with that on your mind, tap on delete and the entire conversation or message will get deleted on Messenger. Or if you like to get into individual chat and delete the Messenger, you can also do that. In order to do so, get into the specific account chat, and once you land on your chat, now head over to the upper right corner and tap on the eye icon. Now once you land on this interface again, tap on the three dot icon from the upper right corner. From there, tap on delete conversation, again confirm by tapping on delete, and your entire conversation or message will get deleted. And that's how you delete messages on Messenger. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you in next video.